greet everybody. Jai Swaminarayan Swamiji. Thank you for your blessings and for for the spiritual invocation and all the social service that BAPS Swaminarayan Mandir does. We have with us few dignitaries already signed in, as well as community members. It would be great if you can bless the world. We need a lot of healing. We need a lot of togetherness in spite of being physically distant. It's a connected world. So BAPS Swaminarayan Mandir has been doing a stellar service, especially in the field of social service. So Purushottam Swamiji, can you please initiate our program and bless us?
Yeah. Diwali is the festival of lights, and before Bhagavan Swaminarayan, I'm lighting this lamp. Just we witnessed and celebrated Diwali festival, and Diwali festival tells us to march towards light from darkness. Here, the darkness is nothing else but ignorance. Ignorance of God and ignorance of our own life. Means we are soul, we are not this body. So if we have a proper knowledge of God and proper knowledge of our own soul, then we are marching towards light from darkness. And this festival is celebrated all over the world by Hindus, and particularly in India by lighting the lamps inside the house, also outside the house. People also decorate their house with rangoli, and even in temples, lamps are lit near the God also and outside the temple also. So this festival is very important for all the community of Hindus. We know that Ravan was killed by Lord Rama, and when he proceeded for Ayodhya, the whole Ayodhya city was lit with the lamps to welcome Bhagavan Ramachandra. The reason Ravan was killed because of his many bad habits, but two most important bad habits were his ego, borderless ego, and his bad sight for other ladies. Whosoever has these two bad quality in his life, he has to suffer, not now but later on. Ramachandra. One has to suffer this thing. So, Ek Nari Sada Brahmachari, our rishis has said this thing. So one should abide with his wife, and a lady should abide with his husband only. And that is most important. And we should not have ego of our wealth, ego of our knowledge. It also destroys our life. So we have to keep away from both these things, and that is the thing, to march towards light from darkness. Not only that, but this festival also tells us that we have to work unitedly. We have to forget the bitterness with our colleagues, our family members, or our social connections. We have to forget the bitterness, and we have to live a new life with energy, with so much of affection for the people, and that is how we have to start our life again. In some part of India, the next day, of Diwali's New Year, particularly in Uttar Bharat and Gujarat also. So people also pray to the God for the prosperity, and people start work with new power, new energy. And our rishis has said in Upanishad, Om Sahana Bhavatu, Sahano Bhunaktu, Sahagviryam Karvavahi, Tejasvina Vaditamastu, Mam Vidvisavahi. What our seers tells us, Om is addressed to God and God choicest devotee. Om is not a simple symbol, but Upanishad says us that Om means we address to God, we pray to the God and his choicest devotee, which is also known as Akshara Brahman, the 8th chapter of Gita, Akshara Brahma Yoga. So people pray to the God, Om Sahana Bhavatu, means, oh God, please protect both of us, not only me, both of us. Sahana Bhavatu, Sahano Bhunaktu, oh God, nourish both of us, not only me, but other also. Sahano Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karvavahi. So please give us the energy, both of us, so we can work together. Sahana Bhavatu, Sahano Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karvavahi, Tejasvina Vaditamastu. Oh God, please give me the strength, not only me, but both of us. So, sharp intellect. Please give us sharp intellect so we can do the better of others. Mam Vidvisavahai. In last, this says that don't envy each other, because this is the main enemy of the human being. So one should not envy anybody. If he is going to do good work, we should appreciate this thing. If Rajesh Kuti is working good for the society, good for the country, then we must appreciate. But Hari should not envy this thing. I am giving this example, but it applies to everybody. Those who are working for the betterment of the society for his own self, then we should appreciate his work, but we should not envy each other. Means we have to unite. We have to work collectively. And there is a rule of the God that if I am pulling the leg of, say, Rajesh Guti, so I have a limited strength to pull his leg. But simultaneously, God also will start pulling my leg with full strength. Then I will be nowhere. So we have to be careful to envy anybody. So this is also the lesson. And another thing is that since this is a New Year day, so Rajesh Guti is working for the nation, for the society, and for our Indian culture. I must thankful to his parents, those who have nurtured these good qualities in his childhood, and now he is working with full strength. So I pray to Bhagavan Swaminarayan and our spiritual, unbroken spiritual hierarchy and Pujya Mahant Swami Maharaj to give enough strength to him to work more and more for the betterment of the society in this year. But this should not be limited up to Rajesh Guti. This should for his whole family, and not limited for his family, but it should be for all Telugu people, but it should not be limited for Telugu people. It should be for whole of the people connected to you. Either they are politically or socially or whosoever it may be. But everybody, I pray to the God, so everybody gets strength, enough strength to work together for the betterment of the nation, betterment of the society. And with this motto, we have to live in this world. Another thing, since this new year starts, everybody should be free from addiction. This is my prayer to all of you, the people who are listening, and also convey this message to your colleagues that don't drink wine and don't eat meat, because food has effect on our body and mind. So kindly don't drink wine and don't eat meat. If you are addicted, kindly leave it gradually. Not at once you can leave it, but gradually you can decrease the dose of it and you can live a pure life. So this is the lesson of Diwali, and my prayer for everybody. And in the last, I would like to say that అమెరికాలో ఉన్న తెలుగు ప్రజలందరికీ నూతన సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈ నూతన సంవత్సరమి అందరికీ ఆరోగ్య అష్టాశ్వర్యాలు సిద్ధించాలని ఆ భాగ్యవంతుని ప్రార్థిస్తాను. జై స్వామినారాయణ. Namaskar to everybody, and I take leave at this moment, and after an hour again I will join to you. Again my namaskar and Jai Swaminarayan to everybody.